My name is Albert Bertram. I'm working with the University of Michigan Libraries. Neil and Ronald today talked about making a mountain out of a molehill, and I was really excited about what they were doing with tags and expanding on building hierarchical tag systems. And we launched the University of Michigan Library launched our tagging solution yesterday, in fact. So we'll have tags soon, but we don't have any right now. And one of the things I was interested in doing was starting up with generating tags from scratch without having any person submit it or whatever. We don't have any of these up yet, but probably by Monday, this coming Monday, we'll have some up. So that was what we did. I was pretty happy with the actual results of it, and I can't show you any right now because we don't have it up yet, but maybe next Monday you can check, and it'll be up there. But more interesting is then what we can do with it. And so next steps could be building hierarchies, and also we can build hierarchies out of associations that are in the Wikipedia data set as well. So the things about that is that there's problems with it, like it's not necessarily well curated. We all know that Wikipedia has its authority problems, but at the same time, it's getting different data than what we're looking at for curated data. We're going to get a lot of pop culture type things, and that's worth something, hopefully. Now, one of the things I'm really worried about is the quality of tags, because we've got, garbage in, garbage out. If you've got a whole bunch of pages in Wikipedia that are, one or two sentences about some Greek god, and you are building associations, if those happen to come out because of whatever your algorithm picked, and I've seen examples of this with other software packages, but not the one I mentioned, you get something that looks like a lot of gibberish in what you're getting. And so we were looking at alternatives on how to evaluate these as well, because sure, you could give a whole bunch of undergrads, are these tags appropriate for this data, but that's not going to come out very well. So, well, it'll work great for small samples, but for, if you've got 30,000 pages, it's not going to scale very well. So our next step for us is to look at that, and if anybody here has any ideas on how to evaluate your tags in a large-scale framework, we're certainly interested in hearing about it, and I'd love to talk to anyone who's interested in this as well. And we've got about 30 seconds or so I'll wrap things up. But it's really exciting to just pull up a page and say, what tags should this have, and come back with something that doesn't actually appear anywhere on the page, and it makes sense, but I wouldn't have necessarily thought of it. And hopefully we'll turn into something a little bit better than the slash dot. Come on up. The slash dot what could possibly go wrong tag that appears on every story.